I am not the best cake decorator. Decorator? So here you go. Here is your cake with your cake. Here you go. Here is your yummy, scrumptious cream cheese. Who says scrumptious? What am I, Willy Wonka? What's wrong with me? Scrumdiddlyumptious. And just realize that you're human and we are not perfect unless you are Corey Clement. And you probably don't know who he is. He was on the Eagles. And he is perfect, but most of us are not. What is wrong with me? Seriously, I'm old enough to be his mother. I love me some chocolate. If you know me, you know I love me some chocolate. Doctored cake mix. Cake mix. So you're gonna omit whatever it says on the back of the box. Just toss that out the window. I basically use round pans all the time. I do. It's like Chandler. I do. Never mind. That was the floor and my foot on the floor, not what you think it was. And usually I can keep using the... Why am I standing like this? Okay, I swear I don't have corona. And pricing is... There's something on this... Oh my God, there's a spider. So a couple things... I keep looking at the spider. It better not come this way. If it comes this way, I'm stopping the video. That we all start somewhere. You gotta crawl before you walk. Anyone watch Friday? Smokey? No? All right, anyway. And I'm not supposed to be eating chocolate. I'm supposed to be on a diet right now, and Reese's peanut butter cups keep calling my name. Oh, Halloween. Make sure it is softened. It's difficult to beat if it's hard. That did not sound right. If you have been coming and watching all my videos, I don't want to say that. So here you go. Here is the Sonic cake. Totes adorbs. Does anyone say that anymore? And I'm 43. Am I not allowed to say that? Let me put this down. I have an itch on my nose and I feel like it's weird if I itch it, but I really have to. I'm not picking my nose, I swear. Wait, I wiped it. Nothing came off. Oh my God. So what happened, her mom, sent me a picture of whore. I don't know. I like the way that it turned out though. So why did I say that? Wait, here's my sketch. And this is why I don't sketch cakes for people, because look at the lion. Oh my gosh. All right, my throat just did a weird thing. Did you hear that in the microphone or no? And I say syrup. Who says syrup? Syrup, why does syrup annoy me? It's probably, oh, I just spit. I wrote down notes because I had to prepare like Rachel Green. And I know I always use that reference, but unagi. But I know that you have to microwave the icing and then let it cool and then re-whip it and all. And it just ain't nobody got time for that. Remember that lady? I don't know if you can hear this, but my refrigerator is making this noise and it's just going like Chandler when he said about Ross's air conditioner. It won't stop. Huh. There you go, just had to kick it. Sometimes that just works. So if you have any questions, get back to me. I don't know where that came from. I am trying to think of a new way to end my videos instead of just saying bye. Like, oh my gosh, how annoying is that? But so I got a couple of requests. One of them from my friend Eric from high school. He told me to say, and that's what's cooking. But I don't know if that's pretty good. So we could try that, or I was thinking maybe just the wink and the gun, the classic, I will see you on the next one. That probably doesn't work either. At least I think I'm funny. I crack myself up. I don't know about anyone else, but still. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. And remember, it's cake, have fun. I will see you on the next one. Bye.